Let me ask you a simple question. Are you ready to face the brutal truth about your life? Because what I'm about to tell you isn't for the faint-hearted. If you ever felt stuck, lost, or like the world is passing you by, then listen closely. This is your wake-up call. Today we're going deep into what it takes to fix your life before it's too late. No sugarcoating, no excuses, just raw, unfiltered truth. Buckle up because this might be the most important lesson you'll ever hear. The first thing you need to do is to confront your weaknesses. This isn't a comfortable process. You must identify where you're failing, where you are not living up to your potential. This means taking a cold, hard look in the mirror and admitting to yourself that you're not where you want to be. You see, most people avoid this because it's painful, but the pain is part of growth. You must embrace it. You have to understand that your time is limited. You don't have an infinite amount of days to get your life in order. The clock is ticking, and every moment you spend procrastinating, you're losing valuable time. Get disciplined. Start waking up early, set goals, and work tirelessly towards them. Your future self depends on the decisions that you make today. Now you have to cultivate a mindset of responsibility, not blaming others for your problems. Your life is your responsibility. Own your failures, learn from them, and use them as a stepping stone to success. No one is coming to save you but yourself. Next, you need to build competence. Acquire skills that makes you valuable. Whether it's in your career, relationship, or other personal development, strive to be the best. I want you to try to focus the next 2 years on building some skills that's going to help you elevate to the next level. Like for me, I've always had businesses or always pursued businesses, but I needed to bring my marketing game up. The minute I elevated my marketing, I started working as a marketer to learn more skills, and then I made so much more connections and networks from that, and that has opened way more doors for me and for my businesses. And when I say relationship, not just with your family or your girlfriend, you have to focus on building that relationship around your community with everyone around you so you can get the help when you need it. Read, study, and practice. Excellence is a habit. Surround yourself with people who can push you to be better, not those who drag you down. That's why I said get better skills so you can be valuable to other people, and then you can start networking with them and other people, which will open a lot more doors. Stop hanging out with bums and people who does not want better for themselves. Physical fitness is another cornerstone. A strong body fosters a strong mind. You can't achieve greatness if your body is weak and unhealthy. Treat your body like the temple it is. Lastly, develop resilience. Life will throw curveball at you. You gotta understand, life is here to test you. God will have you be tested every time. That's how he levels you up. Before he gives you the next thing that you've been crying for and begging for, he's going to throw some curveball at you. He's going to make life smack you. Now you can either face the setback and failures or just cry about it and just say how miserable you are, like the rest of the world is not suffering, like people ain't having it rougher than you. Not that I'm not validating your feelings, but you need to grow up and get the fuck on and start doing the things you need to do. That's the only way you will get to the next level. Crying does not solve anything. What defines you is how you respond to setback and failures. Do you give up or do you rise stronger? You have to cultivate a stronger and tougher mental. Train your mind to stay calm under pressure. Keep pushing forward no matter what. And you have to remember, fixing yourself before it's too late requires a commitment to self-improvement, discipline, responsibility, competence, physical fitness, and resilience. Because it's a journey that never ends, but the rewards are immense. Don't wait for a crisis to start this process. Begin now and watch your life transform in ways you would never imagine. Remember, stay consistent and stay disciplined, boys. I'll catch y'all later. And don't forget to subscribe, you bastards.